Hello boys, hello girls, this is me, Mr. Lucero, and we are going to continue working with our activities. We have unit number 8, Word of Music. So remember, in this unit we are going to learn vocabulary, grammar, structures, conversations, readings, etc. Remember, each class we are going to have a final product. So try to do your final product in class so that you can get your marks. If you don't do this activity, well, you get the lowest score. Our first activity is based on pages 122 and 123, and there is a poster. My first question, what can you see in this poster? Okay, it's a concert. There are a lot of people. Okay, very good. Let's continue on page 124. On page 124, we're going to check some pictures related with the vocabulary. The vocabulary is about music. So, without checking this, let's guess what are those pictures about. For example, number 1. What can you see on number 1? Okay, a cell phone, an iPhone. Okay, there is no problem. What else? What is the cell phone doing? Playing music. Perfect. What about number 2? What can you see? A boy and a girl. Okay. What else? The girl is singing. Yeah. What about number 3? A rock concert with a lot of people. Perfect. Now let's see. Vocabulary number 1, music. Select the words in the box and use them to describe the picture. So what do you have to do? Is to listen first. We're going to listen to this vocabulary and there try to match them with the pictures. So pay attention, listen, and repeat.
Unit 8, World of Music, Track 72, Activity 2.
A hit. A music festival. A playlist. A record. A recording studio. A single. An album cover. Form a band. Go on tour. Go to number 1. Play live at a concert. Record a song. Release an album. Song lyrics.
Okay class, this has been our vocabulary. So the activities to use the words to describe the pictures. For example, what about number 1? What word you can use to describe number 1? It's like, for example, a hit. No. A music festival. No. A playlist. Yeah, it's a possibility, no? Could be a playlist. A record, recording studio, a single, an album, recover for a band, go on a tour, go to number 1, play live at a concert, record a song, release an album, or song lyrics. I mean, it's play a playlist. Okay. What about number 2? Number 2 could be a hit. I don't think so. A music festival? No. A record? Recording a studio. Sorry, a recording studio? Yeah, it's a possibility, no? A recording studio. What about number 3? A hit? A musical festival could be for a band. Well, for a band is when you start, no, but this band is playing in a concert. I don't think so. Play live at a concert, go on a tour could be a possibility. Okay, there are many. Okay, so the idea is to look for the meaning of those words, no, by yourselves. Try to look them. And in class, I'm going to ask and maybe solve some doubts, no? Okay, let's see. Number 3. Choose the correct words. Uh-huh. But for this activity, you need to know the meanings. So, let's do it quickly. What's a hit? A hit is very used on radio. No, this is the hit of the moment, and you listen to a well-known song. Yeah. A music festival. Yeah, a music festival is when play many orchestras or many groups. No, a playlist is what you have on your cell phone. A record, a song, una grabación could be a recording studio when people go to a studio and record a song. A single is used on radios, no, a single. An album cover, the album, okay. When you have a CD, you check the CD and there is a picture, no, the album cover. Form a band when some people start playing some instrument and they get a band, no, the battery, the bass, the guitar, the singer, etc. Go on a tour, no, go on tour when you go out playing music. Go to number one when your song becomes the number one. It's like a hit. Mm-hmm. Play play live at a concert, no. They will say en vivo. Record a song. Grabar, no, a song. Release an album. Release is also known, okay, in music. Song lyrics. Now let's see. The idea here is choose the correct words. How do musicians become famous? First, they form or release a band. It's here. Release an album. Form a band. Okay. First, they form a band. Form is the answer. Then they think of some good lyrics or playlists and music for a song. Lyrics. Lyrics. And then they think of some good lyrics and music for a song. After writing the song, they go to a recording studio or concert to record a song. Of course, recording studio to record a song. Then they release a single, a cover, an album, a single. Yeah, a single. If the song is a hit or record, it could go for the number one, a hit, and go for number one, no, go to number one, and then they become famous. After that, the bands should play or to release the album, and go to on tour so that they can record or play live for their fans. Play live, no, remember here, play live. Okay, this is the activity now for how do musicians become famous. So practice this reading because maybe you have a chance to tell the class, this reading. Let's continue. Listen and match the speakers with the albums. Okay, listen. Here the activity is to listen to an audio, and then we have Dan, Rita, and Megan, and those are the speakers. Okay, And there are some albums like Cielo Rojo by Angela Aguilar, Younger by Ruel, and Places by Isabel Brown. So what do you have to do? Listen and match. So pay attention.
Unit 8. Track 73. Activity 4. So, Dan, what has been on your playlist? Tell us about it.
Younger by Rule. Yeah, it's not bad. I like it.
Megan, and what has been on your playlist? Cielo Rojo by Angela Aguilar. It's fantastic. I play it all the time. She's half American, half Mexican. Really good. What about you, Rita? What has been on your playlist? Places by Isabel Brown. People say she'll soon be one of the biggest stars in the world.
Okay, this was the audio, so tell me, what about Dan? What is his album? Cielo Rojo by Angela Aguilar, Younger by Ruel, or Places by Isabel Brown? Yes, Younger by Ruel. Perfect. What about Rita? Places by Isabel Brown. And Megan, Cielo Rojo by Angela Aguilar. Okay, listen. Do you need extra time? You can listen once again. You can listen once again and you can do it. Interface. Where in pairs, what has been on your playlist? Is it good? It is Believer by Imagine Dragons. It's fantastic. I play it all the time. What about you, class? What do you have on your playlist? What's the number one? You play all day. Uh-huh. Okay, you are going to do this in class, no? Also you are going to tell me what is the best recent video music, no? We're talking about music, so get ready. Look for information. Now, let's continue with the reading activity, but this reading activity is going to be in a second video. So, see you.